Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you a new tech from MI. First, let's unbox the thing. I bought it from Amazon. It's just priced at 97 AED. I'll be leaving a link in the description. I've been trying to tell you, my channel reached 100 subscribers, which is really great. I mean, it wouldn't have been possible without you people. So thank you, really means a lot. I'll be posting more interesting and entertaining videos for you people. So thank you. So moving on, let's take out this manual and the warranty thing. So let's open the box, and we have a holder here. I'll be showing you in a bit what this does. So I'll just keep it aside for now. Next we have the unit itself. I'll just keep it aside for now. Then we have the charging cable, and finally we have the car adapter, which will go into the cigarette port of your car. So if you peel this off, you can see two USB connectors. One is red, which is where you have to plug in your charging cable. Now let's peel this off. Wow, that sounds satisfying. It has a great glass finish. Now let's head to the car and see what we can do. We plug the car adapter to the cigarette port, the charging cable on the red port, and finally the other end to the main unit. We have a clip connection. We just press it and plug into your AC vent. Now those who don't want to keep it on the AC vent, they have a provision of keeping it on this stand that comes with the box. Now the best part, now you have a phone holder and a phone charger. Cool, right? We have an IR sensor to your left. Also in the front, the blinking one. Gives a power output of 20 watt, which is really great for wireless charging. So you just need to place it here, it can go on drive. It just locks automatically. So what do you think, guys? Is it worth it? Do mention them in the comments. Thank you all for watching.